观众朋友，大家好，欢迎收看客家新闻插枝。亚集节目我们推出3.1世纪的完整报道。有一族群众人口同毛利头分差不多，不过因系在为所分布在4个国家境内，加起来比10个台湾还高发。按道因让10万3年内竟然有9种按多的方言，相互还唔同哦。一族群都系沙米。沙米是北欧唯一受到国际原住民公约认可的原住民，伊能唔系国家使有国旗同国歌，伊能旧上嘅方言有推广嘅人冇到1300年，睇到语言学家 David Crystal 以天意嘅为切合嘅状态，伊能对沙米化嘅未来沙行系感觉嘅乐观。一礼拜嘅客家新闻插枝向新人放评分，如果带大家去到北去看，去认识一只。将形容写都有200种讲法的跨国族群沙米。
这是沙米的传统服饰 Gokti， 这就是 Gokti， 这还是 Gokti。虽长途、容式、配件有啲所长，不过强壮的是都有红、蓝、绿、黄4只色目。除了老分布到4只国家境内沙米之处。红色的板染是烈日，蓝色的是明月。天空底下，沙米是日头的子民。台南就提出界本现在挪威国会议员的沙米宣言，Isaac Saba 所写的是普 Q 之选的沙米国歌，由 Gokti 4只色所构成的沙米国旗，对挪威的境内蛮难飘扬。有国旗，有国歌，不过沙米加埋这只国家。
There has been a main thought in Sami politics that we are one nation in 4 different countries.
沙米是这只2班的民族，分布到哪条地方？我都会解答这条问题。你从南到北，每个半只地球，从东到西，驶了10000公里。记者2位在台湾的土战机场，2位是北纬25度，对户外温度是-18度。经过25点钟，坐了4点的飞机，总共飞了超过13000公里。记者2来到位在挪威北部的 Lakselv， 2位是北纬的70度，对户外的温度是-3度。北极圈所讲的是北温带到北寒带交界的地方，差不多是北纬66.5度。2位这边是所讲的北极地区。对这美世界生态圈的地图，总共有8个国家，分别加拿大、美国、俄罗斯、芬兰、瑞典、挪威、冰岛和丹麦。3名人是北极地区对欧洲境内唯一的原住民。从文史记载来看，3名人最早是498年的时间，对罗马帝国的历史学家 Tacitus 的书，就每年地图看到的。那这就关20000年的起源到分布的书，讲到了这群被喊作非尼人，佢哋是作错、作俏皮，说到体内等，当外用弓箭打猎，我射来射去造成强壮。经过为2000年，一群北极圈内的游牧民族，也主要分布到斯堪的纳维亚、和俄罗斯的科拉半岛上。佢哋为生发圈被喊作 Sapmi。除了这文化是这国家，面积比挪威国土还发达了，范围超过38.8万平方公里的3米生发圈。从西到东，挪威境内差不多有5到6万个3米人。 瑞典境内有2到4万沙，芬兰的境内有8000家人，最东边的俄羅斯將將2000家變呢。不過，呢條數據就係大體按上天，因為從第2擺世界大戰之後，就唔知進行過呢通信嘅普查咧。
We haven't counted the Sami people. It has been the last decades. It has been the discussion that we can't have this kind of ethnic counting. Approximately, we have perhaps 60 to 100 Sami people.
所謂歐洲最北邊的原住民，三民人大環境有3大特徵：面積廣闊、人口眾少、天時凍冷。台中來講，台灣的人口密度達平方公里有666沙，北歐5國差唔多係19沙。不過三民生活區10米係為4平方公里，長就這個三民人。到底三民人生活的地方有幾冷？除了用溫度來顯示，實際上畫面對大家看到一樣微偏啪啪做成都係些。我從那種2000頭的路，至少要行25公里，就咪到到從路線那種樹草的斜坡個地圖係偏數，我路線要只下發的位所本車做得力頭。10米對冷天的時節，冷下30度之內都算係傷害，去到這片冷下50度，這樣算係極端。What is the coldest you ever experienced?
48 minus.
But do you still go outside for the reindeer herding?
If I have to, yes. I go outside if I have to.
喺那半呢之外係唔驚冷嘅，唔單唱係太熱天氣。你係當主體嘅11點，對 car shock 兩位當天溫度係冷下19度，我係手指已經冷到唔係天土冇感覺咧，我再看到對幼稚園嘅小朋友，兩群3米小向交流嘅聽到難得。It's so cold outside, and you let the child play outside. Isn't that getting them more chance to get cold, to get hurt?
No, we have the right clothing. We use wool.
Yes.
All inside, and they don't get cold by being out in 20 degrees. They can get cold by being out in 10 degrees because then they don't have that much clothing on.
你要注意到麼 ？Bright 對回答天氣問題之間有關溫度嘅重視。其實大部分嘅三民人因為長時間大體係帶對冷下環境，所以基本連服也有時唔講。市場係你平常唔會跳跳講，至30度強壯。在咁嘅情況下，三面人員也產生出讓其他族群多麼強壯嘅發展。
There are more than 200 ways to describe how the snow is. So 200 different words for snow. And that is, well, for the reindeer herders, it's easier for them to tell how the way is. If it's soft, if it's wet snow, if it's dry snow, it describes many things on how easy it is to go on the snow.
如年為咗點出對三民人來講，最重要嘅係咧，做嘅留經濟來源，同時也明確嘅定義傳統三民人最典型嘅生活形態放牧順路。
Reindeer herding is not a job; it's a lifestyle. You work 24/7. It's not a job which you start from 9 to 4, and this is our lifestyle. We'll live to herd reindeers, and they support us. We support them.
我對半天設計環境當中落實，就算有順路太遠機器，也唔係安改。但係從大嘅地方到順路放牧場，就會遇到當多困難。非常壯，對住下時期嘅我來寫橋，不過兩年世界做到上太橋股強壯嘅太人，對寫橋嘅來講，實在係衝到未來唔樣，所以改錯寫紅好多倍。出發之前， 壮士特别讲，根据佢嘅经验，下把机器汉姆通过岸边，冇想到冇结局之后，可是人都到问题咧。小航奥多拜用拖上5公里嘅速度，喺设置地图行嚟8點鐘之後，引擎才停業，所以停下來用寫咗降溫。就算戶外溫度將零下7度，我在你當中嘅小航奧多拜行嚟看唔上長時間運轉，我哋3名人飲水發揮，善用環境嘅能力。冇想到，人但裝講比機器還要好用嘅動物，實在變作威脅嘅來源。
Here's 1, 2, 3. As you see, the clothes has gone through.
What is so special about this tree?
This tree is where the Wolverine used to stop. He is always resting here. As we see, there is also fresh tracks on the ground.
So do you worry about your reindeers?
Well, he is nearby watching us somewhere, so he's waiting until we go home. Then he will attack my herd and take some animals.
張酷笑講：你正見到河水，因為到鏡頭面前翕到眼嘅畫面，幾乎差唔多係100%天。我問佢有辦做到嘅，張簡單回答 ：Because I am a Sami reindeer herder.
Well, that's our that's our tradition from my father. He was a reindeer herder, and so back to my grandfather and great grandfather, they were all reindeer herders. So I'm next in line to take over the reindeer herd and keep this tradition till the next generation.
Khi cha hiệp với đại khuyên xuân lộ tổ chiến tuổi mai, lý do tổng kiến tận siêu mai trong một kiểu chữ đại lợi hà năng của cả chết. Thôi cho nên có, ta theo thải theo xuân lộ cả chết tham đợi nó với khe lọ liễu xe định nguyên, kèm thói bị liễu mặn lăng,所以大家是在想象，đại khuyên xuân lộ對3名人來講，到底有幾重要？當然對3名人來講，經濟價值並未放冇xuân lộ最滿嘅目的，因為按我想法形態是本3名人。做的係3名人嘅最主要原因。根據統計，兩對挪威境內順路嘅房屋面積差唔多係14萬平方公里，佔挪威國土嘅40%變啦。就算全台房屋順路嘅數量，從1990年代開始24萬2千張，當然減少到20萬張變啦。我作為家族社台創新嘅順路房屋者，仲堅信兩隻行業天長5倍，也做唔得冇提議。對於隻族群來講，推薦自家留其他族群冇重要嘅地方，主要生活形態難隻關鍵是語言。事實上，有關之前如你講到，3有200種講寫嘅方式兩團位，是點出嚟3名語言嘅多樣性。多樣性對講10萬間語言嘅3名族群來講係優點，就係威脅點。現存嘅3名語總共有3大語言叫做分支。分別最多人用嘅挪沙米有超過25000個使用者，分布到挪威、瑞典、和芬蘭境內。3年聽日多人用嘅係魯沙米有2000個使用者，分布到挪威和瑞典。強調算係中普3名語嘅印尼沙米，長到芬蘭境內有差唔多有300個使用者。所以瑞典境內還有20個派沙米嘅使用族群。南普3名語嘅分布到挪威和瑞典境內嘅 South Sami， 嗱維吉對瑞典講叫 Umi Sami， 佢就620個使用者。嗱東普3名語嘅對芬蘭有500個 Scout Sami 嘅使用者。俄羅斯嘅科拉半島有500個 Ketelin Sami 嘅使用者，嗱將近10個嘅 Tur Sami 族群。
Many of the Sami languages are categorized as threatened. Well, But there has been a lot of put in a lot of effort into revitalizing the smallest languages through different kinds of programs from kindergartens to up to the university level. So.
從數字來看，9種三美語當中有4種係變為語言，3種通通入到未了常態，談多嘅人都見討談。我將創建問題轉到挪威北部嘅三美重鎮 Karasjok， 由這張地圖唔驚人嘅三美社會也呈現出本人對包含語言才能受到三美文化表現嘅順手樂觀期待嘅正面。對 Karasjok 呢一隻3000間嘅小鎮有2000個客家係三美人，對呢隻小鎮後總共有3間有7隻，我是記者所採2間係專門都係三美小朋友讀嘅。對呢邊再看到佢當個少年把這問題behavior recto， 中文嘅意思係父母順路在成人嘅意見嘅照顧中心。記到其他有7隻有咗乜嘅冇見嘅地方是聽人記者向下去看。喺網絡度報道，大家提出嚟看到掉到我背，也是真緊順路嘅皮，因為順路對三美文化當中扮演當重要嘅角色。很簡你會看到，像記得以下等下後天學習的做啲教嘅東西，也完全都係三美語記得對讓我學習為用到嘅。地圖就乜嘅提示，3年開門到地圖去。呢邊拖鞋嘅地方，還有吊外套嘅地方，出街會看到，朝連吊外套很簡單嘅呢一種裝置，也係將做到順路嘅高強咗。呢度要出張地圖，大家提醒看到嘅係呢啲小朋友佢哋玩耍嘅地方。係講看下詳細啲有冇發現，大概小朋友都有接送呢一種用順路嘅皮作為交通，很夾聽到當大模啊，除了平常嘅模之外，亦都當到小朋友幾條準備嘅，是像咁樣。了解係順路皮做嘅，順條兩片係fully嘅模，像了啲蟹啊，還有咁嘅模啊，做成都係幾條嘅繞嘅，模是阿公阿婆用手去練出來做出來嘅，咁個係市面上買唔到嘅，當然也簽唔到強項嘅。也是三美鐵就示範形態嘅傳訊方式之一。
We follow the reindeer year like the parents would. So we go during the springtime. We follow when they're moving the reindeers to the summer.
Yes.
And during the autumn we have we are with them when they cut their ears.
Yes.
Put a mark, and we follow the reindeer year. So everything we do here has a connection for the reindeer or the reindeer herding.
講到當簡單，不過長至到6歲小朋友有點壞，都係講清楚，用版本幾條建立嗱傳統嘅連結。呢一種地圖講嘅是當先前這件事情，但我就對呢位圖嘅所有嘅小朋友，記得熱天嘅時節，我係因為圖記得去北部。下有超合適的地方，本嚟的順路做啲過色法，像 Ella， 佢嘅成日天咪到兩位來 ，and 冷天嘅時節，佢哋因為北部太冷咧，因為多轉到下邊兩位來 ，Is it Ella? Is that you? So cute, Paul. Ella, my name is. 春天到熱天向北曬，秋天時節我見如果義工做乜個樣做。
Everyone has their own cut in the ear, so they know who it is, which reindeer is yours. So everyone has the different cuts, you see.
Okay.
And this is the bigger, the older children here.
Okay.
They made so they know and learn their own signs in the ears.
大家你係看到咧天底下一隻嘅，其實係記得屋下彈耳曉嘅順路記得嘅義工，因為大家嘅順路生到都強樣看唔出來，所以 佢哋所謂對順路嘅義工黨用剪刀剪出冇強用嘅開圈，佢哋從事是搞佢哋設計生意啦。我哋武漢順路義工嘅用板剪，南邊的我會看到哦，兩隻剪2隻角3隻角嘅成個武漢順路，也是佢哋將順路武漢也是三民人最重要文化傳下嘢，而且當生詞嘅方式。我對家庭之外重合。好多武漢人落實方式的相關資訊，也是唔單止係教育態度所做的決定嘅，填出我要政策的配合。事實上，拿挪威來講，作為最多3萬人口嘅國家，俄羅斯政府長時間冇重視3萬人的語言和文化權。我認為30年前，挪威憲法增修條文提出170條，將講到政府就積極為3萬人創造保障。香港發展幾條語言、文化和生活方式的空間。3年到1992年，將通過3民語言法。從該時節開始，3民體系學校將進一步要求用3民語教課。
Compared with other indigenous people in the world, we have an educational system that allows us to teach our own languages to the children and youth. So we still can be a little bit optimistic about the Sami languages.
In the main area of Sami, north of Norway mostly, and especially here in Finnmark, all Sami, all education in the school is in Sami language.
Everyone here, all the employees, they talk the Sami language, and all the children too, so that we only speak the Sami language here.
羅日貝嘅韓偉講，小朋友到學校也頻繁地使用3民語，也是有啲嘅場合，客家中英社團嘅團簽，根據客委會最新嘅漢語能力來使用韓語調查，漢語口說能力下降到最顯明嘅是喺30到39歲。從民國96年嘅56.3%外公客，減少到1805年嘅32.9%。那麼40到49歲族群就衰退咧28%㗎。對挪威嘅 Karasjak 社會意到家長認識到啱嘅狀況，我希望透過行動改變到乜嘅，開始重新嘅來設計成年嘅講3民語。
Even though we didn't speak Sami at home, we learned Sami at school. So, and when I got children myself, it was natural for me to speak Sami to them so they could learn it as their first language.
冇咁錯，母語當重要，講母語當好。我對台灣人強調談到，學漢語冇是學咯，還唔當學中文為下要用，對3民了解更冇安全問題。Why you insist to encourage your children to speak such a, allow me to say, non-useful language?
Because it's our identity.
Yes.
And that's what we do, because English, they will learn English when they get older. They will learn, but if we hadn't learned them the Sami language, then they wouldn't learn, because it's not that easily to learn Sami than it is to learn English. And the Sami language is a part of our identity, and it's really important for us to talk it.